From the assembly of the power strip's core body to the meticulous crafting of its wires, every step in the manufacturing journey plays a pivotal role in ensuring safety, functionality, and reliability. Ever wondered what intricate steps and craftsmanship go into creating those trusty power strips that keep our devices charged and ready? Have you ever stopped to ponder how a simple power strip is meticulously crafted from raw materials into a vital part of our daily lives? Prepare to be amazed as we take you on an immersive journey through the fascinating process of making power strips, a captivating blend of technology, precision, and innovation. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more intriguing content like this. The creation of a power strip involves a comprehensive and intricate series of steps that begins with sourcing raw materials and progresses through various stages of assembly, quality checks, and packaging. Each phase demands meticulous attention to detail to ensure the final product's reliability, functionality, and safety standards. Number 1. Material procurement and preparation. The manufacturing process initiates with the careful procurement of high-quality components required for the assembly of a power strip. These components typically include the housing, electrical sockets, wiring, surge protection elements, circuitry, grounding plug, and other vital parts essential for the strip's functionality and safety. Number 2. Core body assembly. The assembly process starts with constructing the core body of the power strip. Skilled technicians and assembly workers meticulously arrange and fit together various components to form a robust and sturdy foundation for the strip. This phase involves attention to detail in placing sockets at optimal intervals to ensure user convenience. Number 3. Cord production. Simultaneously, the production of the power strip's electrical cord commences. Highly trained workers measure, cut, and strip the electrical wires with precision to exact lengths. The wire stripping process is meticulous, ensuring the removal of insulation without compromising the integrity of the conductive material within. This step is vital to ensure optimal conductivity and safety. Number 4. Grounding plug attachment. The grounding plug, a crucial safety feature, is securely attached to the wire. Advanced techniques, such as injection molding, are employed to create a robust connection between the plug and the wire, minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. Number 5. Wire organization. Individual wires are carefully separated and organized systematically to prevent tangling. This meticulous arrangement ensures ease of use and maintenance, allowing for seamless functionality. Number 6. Component assembly and soldering. Concurrently, the assembly steps continue with the arrangement of the power strip's body and components in compliance with industry standards and safety codes. Highly skilled technicians employ precise soldering techniques to establish secure and reliable electrical connections between the various components. Number 7. Quality control checks. Quality control is the MVP, most valuable player, throughout the power strip's superhero training. Completed power strips aren't just born, they undergo a superhero-level inspection and testing. Picture capes fluttering in the wind. These strips get scrutinized to identify any villainous defects or irregularities that might attempt to sneak into their superhero ranks. This thorough examination involves a power strip spa day, covering every inch, checking for structural integrity, ensuring functionality, and giving the ultimate superhero stamp of approval for safety standards. Number 8. Final assembly check. Once these power strips get their superhero endorsement, they go through their final costume fitting. Every component gets a final check to make sure they're all dressed up and securely in place, ready to face the world and handle every electrical challenge thrown their way. Number 9. Packaging and protection. It's time for the power strip's grand debut. But before they hit the stage, they get the VIP treatment in their fancy packaging. Think of it as their red carpet moment, encased in protective materials like vinyl or their favorite superhero outfit, ensuring they arrive at your door ready to save the day in pristine condition. Number 10. Safety and usage recommendations. In addition to the manufacturing process, ensuring safe usage of the power strip is paramount. Manufacturers typically recommend replacing the power strip every 2 years to maintain optimal functionality and safety. Users are advised to check the wattage compatibility of their devices with the power strip, especially for high-powered appliances like hairdryers, which may exceed the strip's capacity. Adhering to the recommended switch capacity, often advised to be less than 1,000 watts per outlet or section, is crucial for safe and efficient usage. The manufacturing process of a power strip is a detailed and intricate journey that prioritizes quality, safety, and compliance with stringent industry standards. Each stage of the process contributes significantly to the overall reliability and functionality of the end product, ensuring a safe and dependable electrical solution for users. Thank you for watching.